Hi then. In our previous video, we have seen about this one different types of salts. So now we will discuss about the solubility of different salts or bases. Okay. So now uh, all compounds of sodium ion or potassium ion or ammonium ion are soluble in water. They are soluble in water. Okay, whatever the compound of sodium you may take sodium chloride, sodium sulfate, sodium nitrate, sodium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate, sodium acetate. So whatever the salt it may be, sodium phosphate. So whatever the salt it may be. So all these are different, etc. So many sodium compounds are available in the nature. All compounds of sodium, all compounds of potassium. Suppose if in the case of, instead of sodium, if I write potassium, so all these salts are soluble in water. All these salts are soluble in water, etc. Okay. So all these salts are soluble in water. Or else replace with ammonium. Replace all these with ammonium. Ammonium chloride, ammonium sulfate, ammonium nitrate, ammonium carbonate, ammonium bicarbonate, or ammonium acetate, or ammonium phosphate, etc. So all these compounds are soluble in water. So this is the most important thing. All the compounds of sodium or potassium or ammonium are soluble in water. Next we will learn about the oxides. How oxides are soluble? All oxides and hydroxides are insoluble. All oxides and hydroxides are insoluble. There is an exception for this. Oxides of sodium or potassium, they are soluble. So oxides of sodium oxide, potassium oxide, they are soluble. They are soluble in water. Take any other oxide, calcium oxide or magnesium oxide or aluminum oxide, or else any oxide, any metal oxides. All oxides are insoluble in water. All oxides and hydroxides are insoluble. Okay, so here, etc. Barium oxide, etc. So all these are what? Zinc oxide, maybe copper oxide, okay, or else lead monoxide. So anything. So except these oxides, all other oxides are insoluble in water. Okay, right. Oxides of metals. Oxides of metals. All oxides of metals are insoluble in water, except these oxides. So these are all, etc., insoluble in water. Right. So this is about oxides. And also hydroxides. All hydroxides are insoluble in water. And here also exception. For hydroxides, these three are exception. For example, sodium hydroxide is soluble. potassium hydroxide is soluble in water. Ammonium hydroxide is soluble in water. So these are soluble. Okay. All other hydroxides, all other metal hydroxides, calcium hydroxide, maybe magnesium hydroxide, maybe zinc hydroxide, maybe iron hydroxide, or maybe copper hydroxide. So all other, etc. So all are insoluble. All are insoluble in water. Okay, remember that all oxides and all hydroxides are insoluble, but these are exceptions. Sodium oxide and potassium oxide, they are soluble, and all other metal oxides are insoluble. In the same way, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide. So these three are only soluble hydroxides, and all other hydroxides are insoluble in water. Okay, so remember that this is the most important thing. So this is the these are the some of the points, and some more we will learn. Okay, now we learn about the carbonates. All carbonates are insoluble. Again, except these three only, because already at the beginning only we have it is mentioned that sodium, potassium and ammonia, these two are exception, these three are exception. So all carbonates are insoluble except carbonate of sodium, potassium and ammonium. Okay, except carbonate of sodium and potassium and ammonium. So except these carbonates, sodium carbonate, what is the formula of sodium carbonate? Na2CO3, potassium carbonate, K2CO3, ammonium carbonate, NH4 taken twice, CO3. So except these carbonates are soluble in water. So take any other carbonate, maybe calcium carbonate or magnesium carbonate or zinc carbonate or iron carbonate or lead carbonate, okay, etc. So whatever the thing it may be, or else aluminum carbonate, so etc. So all these other carbonates, all the other carbonates except these three are insoluble in water. They are insoluble. Okay, so remember that. So except these three, see, remember that. So here also sodium, potassium and ammonium. Here also sodium, potassium and ammonium. So in all the cases you will find sodium, potassium and ammonium, because already at the beginning only it is mentioned that all compounds of sodium, potassium and ammonium are soluble in water. Hence these three will stand as exception in all the other cases. In all the cases. So now let us learn about the other type of salts, all sulfide salts. So all these are what? Salts. All sulfide salts. All sulfides. Salts. All sulfides means all sulfide salts are insoluble. All sulfide salts are insoluble. Here also exception, again the same exception, except sulfides of sodium, except sulfide of sodium. What is that one? Sodium sulfide, potassium sulfide, okay, ammonium sulfide. So except these three, all other sulfides are insoluble in water. Maybe calcium sulfide or magnesium sulfide or aluminum sulfide or zinc sulfide or lead sulfide, etc. So all these are insoluble. All other sulfides are insoluble except sodium sulfide, potassium sulfide and ammonium sulfide. So these three are soluble in water, and all other sulfides are insoluble in water. So insoluble, insoluble, insoluble. Right? Now we'll learn the next one. Nitrates. See, this is important. All nitrate salts are all nitrite salts, nitrate or nitrite, all nitrate salts or all nitrite salts are soluble in water, There is no exception. Every salt, every nitrate salt is soluble in water. For example, calcium nitrate, soluble in water. Magnesium nitrate, soluble in water. Lead nitrate, soluble in water. Copper nitrate, soluble in water. Sodium nitrate, soluble in water. Silver nitrate, soluble in water. Gold nitrate, okay, soluble in water. So whatever the nitrates you may, aluminum nitrate, soluble in water. Whatever the nitrate it may be, every nitrate is soluble in water. In the same way, every nitrite means I have to write to 2. Instead of 3, I have to write to 2. So these are what? Nitrites now. Nitrites. So sodium nitrite, silver nitrite, gold nitrite, copper nitrite, aluminum nitrite. So even nitrites, these are all nitrites. All nitrites are soluble in water and all nitrates are soluble in water. So there is no exception for this. This is the most important. Next one. All chlorides are soluble. All chlorides are soluble in water. Are soluble. All chlorides are soluble. Okay, but there is an exception. Here, except soluble. So for soluble, it is exception. Okay, for soluble. These are, anyhow, they are soluble. So they cannot be stand in the exception. Because we are discussing about these chlorides. All chlorides are soluble. So as it is soluble, these are also soluble. So they cannot stand as exception. So there are some other exceptions. Except what? Lead chloride, silver chloride. Okay, lead chloride, silver chloride, mercurous chloride, Hg2Cl2, mercurous chloride. Okay, it is also called as calomel. It's also called as calomel. So it is insoluble. It is also insoluble. So these three are insoluble. All other chlorides are soluble. For example, take calcium chloride, soluble in water. Take magnesium chloride, soluble in water. Take aluminum chloride, soluble in water. Maybe any sodium chloride, soluble in water. Potassium chloride, soluble in water. Okay, zinc chloride, soluble in water. Okay, so any copper chloride, soluble in water. So all other except these three are soluble in waters. Except these three, all other chlorides, all chlorides are soluble in water. So this is a chloride, calcium chloride. This is another chloride, magnesium chloride. This is another chloride, aluminum chloride, sodium chloride, potassium chloride, zinc chloride, copper chloride. So these are all salts of chlorine. So these are said to be chloride salts. These are soluble chloride salts. Okay, etc. These are insoluble chloride salts. Only 3. And the 2, this lead chloride. So here this thing we have to remember that this lead chloride, it is soluble. Lead chloride is soluble only under certain conditions. Lead chloride is soluble in hot water only. In hot water. So this is exception, Nana. So lead chloride, normally lead chloride, it is insoluble in normal water. If you take hot water only, then only it is soluble. Lead chloride is soluble. Lead chloride is only in soluble only in hot water. Normally, in normal water, lead chloride is insoluble. So these three salts are insoluble, but lead chloride. So this is an exception. Again, exception in the exception. So that means lead chloride under certain conditions. Under what condition? When lead chloride is dissolved in hot water, then only it is soluble. Otherwise, it is insoluble. Silver chloride, it is insoluble even in hot water. Mercurous chloride, it is also insoluble even in hot water. Whereas all other salts, they are soluble in normal water also. So these are all chloride salts. So before that we have mentioned about nitrate salts, sulfide salts, carbonate salts. So like this. So these are all what? Different types of salts. Okay, these are what? These are chloride salts. These are some of the sulfide salts. Okay. So now, so for nitrate salts or nitrate salts, there is no exception. All nitrates or all nitrites are soluble in water. Next, all sulfates. This is also important. All sulfates are soluble. All sulfates are soluble. Okay, so look here. These are insoluble. Which are insoluble? Oxides and hydroxides are insoluble. Carbonates are insoluble. Sulfides are insoluble. But nitrates are soluble. Even chlorides are soluble. Even sulfates are soluble. That means all sulfates, all chlorides, all nitrates, all nitrites are soluble. So here there is no exception for this one. But here there is exception. These chlorides are insoluble. In the same way, even for sulfates also there are exceptions. So except calcium sulfate. Calcium sulfate is insoluble. Barium sulfate, it is also insoluble. Silver sulfate, it is also insoluble. Okay, calcium sulfate, barium sulfate, lead sulfate, even lead sulfate also, it is insoluble. Okay, remember that. So these are exceptions. These are exceptions. These are exceptions. Okay, so like this. For insoluble salts, these remain sodium, potassium, and ammonium. They remain exception because sodium, potassium, and ammonium are soluble in water. All compounds of sodium, potassium, and ammonium are soluble in water. So if there is a term known as insoluble, for those substances only, these three will stand as exception. Okay. For all soluble, so these three cannot stand as exception because these are all soluble. So even these are also soluble. They cannot stand as exception. So for them, for nitrates and nitrites, there is no exception. All are soluble. For chlorides, so these are exceptions. So lead chloride, if you talk about lead chloride, lead chloride is soluble in hot water. Otherwise, it is insoluble.